Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to publish a book on Notion Press using an easy method. Getting your book out there can seem daunting, but Notion Press simplifies the journey for authors. We'll walk through the essential steps, from preparing your manuscript to seeing your book available to readers. It's a fantastic way to share your story with the world, and I'm here to help make that process clear and manageable for you. The first crucial step is preparing your manuscript. This means ensuring your writing is polished and free of errors, so a thorough edit and proofread are essential. Notion Press provides clear formatting guidelines, which are vital for a professional look. Whether it's a print book or an e-book, getting your file ready in the correct format, like a print-ready PDF, will save you time and ensure a smooth upload process. Next, let's talk about your book's visual appeal and essential details. A captivating cover is your book's first impression, so invest time in its design to make it stand out. You'll also craft a compelling book description, which is key to drawing in readers. Finally, you'll set your book's price and choose relevant categories, ensuring it reaches the right audience and maximizes its potential for success. The final stage is publishing and distribution. Once all your details are perfect, you'll submit your book to Notion Press. They offer extensive distribution, making your book available on major online platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. After publication, remember to actively promote your book through social media and other channels. This proactive approach will help you connect with more readers and achieve your publishing goals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.